The biggest challenge for this project is without a doubt the impact it has to the residents. You're doing this work in occupied apartments, and it's a scary thing for the residents to hear. We knew that there was some mechanical issues with the hydronic risers.
All we had was just heating and cooling seasonally. We had several leaks everywhere. Our risers were leaking left and right, so we needed to upgrade our infrastructure.
Before we contacted SageWater for this job, we're chasing sort of a different mechanical path. We were looking into a VRF installation, and as we were thinking about the costs and what that delivers to residents and what that means for mechanical upgrades, it became really clear that we were sort of going down the wrong path.
SageWater, they gave us not only the way to execute the idea that we had, but they gave us a better idea that would meet our budget. SageWater has all the expertise in-house. They developed the drawings, they went through the county, they did the permits.
So they kind of helicopter in and they give you a solution from A to Z. They take over the engineering studies, they take over the abatement studies, they take over the design build and the spec studies. We really landed on a solid alternative that allowed us to transition to this water source heat pump system, which not only replaced the riser lines behind the wall, but also allowed us to give a general improvement to the residents, and they can control both heating and cooling in all 4 seasons.
It made me feel like, I should have thought of that first. It was just like an aha moment. This is what we want to do.
It's really a great feeling to having a partner like SageWater that they're going to do the work as if they own the building and offering guidance that an owner wants and needs.
As a whole, SageWater is just an outstanding partner to work with.
We're happy to partner with a team like SageWater who has a lot of expertise in doing this work in occupied apartments. They're not trying to throw things in there to mark up your budget. They're working with you on a practical solution for your building and offering you full transparency.